Here we're going to look at exam technique support and how AI can help us to help our students with their exam technique. As you know, all teachers know this, we'll spend loads of time looking at content, reiterating content, drilling content, and yet students often fall down, not because they don't know the content, because they don't tackle the questions well. And exam technique is such an important skill to develop in order for students to be able to do as best they possibly can in those formal tests, assessments and exams, of course. So what have I done here? I've been quite specific again. You can see I've asked ChatGPT to use the content that I provided, and I've said, create some helpful exam technique support for my GCSE students to help them answer exam style questions on this topic. I've been specific there and told them those the types of questions there might be: 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, or a 6-mark question as well. And then I've also included, as you can see, the typical types of command words that questions begin with. That's not exhaustive, of course, and there may well be more that you might want to put in. So the response is really positive, I think, really helpful. So let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. So if we go down, we can see that it's saying, here's some exam techniques to support your students understanding command words. It's identified each of those command words, and it's saying what to do, how to answer, and gives an example. Same with describe, what to do, here's the structure, here's an example. So this is a sort of thing that you could potentially pick up, you can use to teach your students, you can distribute it to your students. It goes on further talking about explain there, what to do, structure and example. I really like the analysis one, what to do, break something down and show how the parts link. And also the evaluate one. So many students often do not evaluate properly in that they don't make that judgment. They certainly forget to give both sides, the strengths and the weaknesses, the positives, the negatives, etc. So I think this is really, really helpful. What ChatGPT has done for me as well, beyond this explanation here, is it's gone on to give me content-specific exam technique about this particular topic. That's where I think the benefit of putting the topic in, rather than just give me some generic ideas about how to develop exam technique. There's definitely a place for that. But here, if we were to scroll down, we'll see it's giving information to the students about every single thing. Double circulatory system, what do I need to know? What should be included? What sort of common question types are there? And so it goes on. The types of blood vessels, the pathway of blood through the heart, must know the correct order, must know the correct terminology, heart rate. And I say this all the time to my students, sometimes you just have to know these. You just have to know these. You just must know them cold. Common mistakes and how to avoid them, mixing up the pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. I think this one is really important as well. Writing too little for the number of marks that are available. It's always important that students can develop their points. And then down here, this idea of comparative language, using it appropriately, using it correctly, especially in questions like analyse and evaluate. So you've got your therefores, your however, in contrast, on the other hand, etc. So another really good way, I think, for us teachers to make best use of AI to help support our students, in this case, to develop their exam technique.